Just picked this up today at the thrift store. It is a Sears Coldspot 30. It's a 30-pint dehumidifier. A couple other people have these on YouTube, and they're kind of unique because of the way they look. They don't look like an ordinary dehumidifier. You could actually mistake this probably for being something else. Most people wouldn't think it's dehumidifier right when they saw it, but clearly it is a dehumidifier. But I got this at the thrift shop for about, its price tag said $15, but it had they had a blue tag special thing, and this had a blue tag on it, and I got it for $7.50 because blue tags were half off. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I just took it apart earlier and cleaned it up, and it seems to, it runs great. Has a charge, collects quite a bit of water. I think there's some in here. This is a bucket. Yeah. This was empty, but it had it running for approximately 15 minutes in the garage here. It collected this much water. So it seems to work pretty well. There's a float switch, and that does work. Works just fine. The light doesn't work, however. That's not a huge issue. There's the data tag. It says model number 106.639300. Serial number S30640366. It's got R12, refrigerant 22, 23 ounces, 6.5 amps, and its capacity is 30 pints. It's a nice unit though. You don't see many like this. It's a unique design, and I just couldn't really pass it up. Compressor back there. I did have this guard here. It was on, but I took it off because whenever you close the drawer to put the water bucket back in, it'd make a clanking noise, and it kind of annoyed me. So, but yeah, I'm gonna turn on. I guess start it up. There's the humidistat. It's off 70% normal, and then goes down to 40, 30, and driest, which is kind of like continuous. Okay, so here we go. Just to note, this thing is really quiet. It's the quietest dehumidifier I've ever seen. It's really quiet. That's it. It's already getting cold. It does tend to frost up a little bit right on these end coils, or the beginning coils, when it first starts up after having been ran for a while, but right now it seems to be working just fine. Not frosting up. I got my thermometer here to it's always warmer on the left side coils. It's not just this one, it's videos of the other ones as well on YouTube. It's pretty much up and running. It's collecting water already. I'll get a flashlight here. It's a compressor. It's pretty quiet. Oh, we got a little frost on the lines now. That'll go away once it's fully, once it circulates all the way through. It always does. I mean, as far as I haven't had it that long, but aluminum coils. There's that regular condenser coil behind it. Standard copper coil. And, I'm gonna shut it off. One thing is a plug here. It's got the molded plug. Needs to be replaced. I'm gonna do that too, because this plug actually gets warm after it runs a while. It's already a little bit warm, not much, but I don't want to run it too long with this plug on it. But I'm gonna replace that soon. And yeah, it's got a really long cord on this thing too. I haven't seen. It's like a 9-foot cord. But that's it. Just want to make a video because this is a really unique dehumidifier, and for $7.50. I think is well worth it. Tell me what you think. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll be making some more videos soon. Just haven't gotten around to it. But this one I felt like I had to make a video of this, because this is really unique. I'll probably put it in my house soon, as soon as I get that plug on it. And yeah. Alright. Out.